So my name is Cheshe Dow, and I am actually from Mochudi, and I grew up actually very near where we are right now. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at the Dow Academy. The Dow Academy is a preschool, primary and secondary school located in Mochudi, Botswana. And we are 27 years old as a school, but as the Dow Academy, we are 15 months old. Our value proposition really to basic education is about reimagining what skills young people should leave with at the age of 18. So beginning last year, we introduced a variety of programs that gives children of different ages an opportunity to learn through hands-on practical application to discover who they are, to discover their interests, and to actually have an effect on the world. Our board chair happened to be at a meeting at BITC, and that's when she really began to appreciate what was possible if we were to work with BITC. So before lockdown last year, before March, BITC came through to have a look at the premises, have a look at what we're doing. And what I liked actually from the very beginning was the representative really, I think, understood and appreciated where we're going to go, which actually was an amazing thing when you think about it, because we were less than 2 months into running the school. We were all hunched into one little office. We had barely any working internet. But from the very beginning, they understood where we were trying to go and they were willing to support us. And there was a bit of a lag because shortly after that, COVID came through and there was a lockdown. But I was actually quite impressed that even when we got back into business, they were right there to say, okay, let's complete your application to get accredited. So I would encourage you to look at your message, to refine your message, to keep repeating your message. Because in that repetition, in that constant dialogue, you really refine what it is that you're going to do, and it becomes crisp and clear. And in fact, it even helps you even to think through what you thought was the best route may not be the best route from the very beginning. But these engagements that you have with BITC and other agencies that are available to help support really help you to refine your business idea and to be able to go forward. So I would encourage people to reach out, because even though people, I think in today's world, really like instant gratification. So some things do take a long time. So even like I say, it did take us a long time to get accredited because there was all these interruptions. And really when they really came through for us was towards the end of the year, where we needed a permit for our incoming international head who came into the secondary school. And up until that point, we had actually processed work permits before, and it had taken us a long time. But BITC was there to take our calls, to really facilitate and fast track what we needed help getting done.